Welcome to Rishvi Ltd. On Inventory page, click here to add new SKU or product. Here, you can set item number, item title, and barcode. After that you can see more fields of your product. In general, you can specify purchase price, retail price, category, etc. In images, you can add images of your product. In postage definition, you can specify default postal service, packaging group, weight and dimensions of your product. Here, you can provide listing description. Here, you can see the items mapped, or you can map them manually. From here, you can define your suppliers. From here, you can add, as well as, update extended properties of your product. From here, you can add product identifier. Once you have done, click on Save. From here, you can search the new product you have added. See, here is our new product.